cherish, and respect Emily Elise Robinson above all others from this day forward until your very last day on earth. Emily Elise Robinson, do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and respect Travis Elliott Mays above all others from this day forward until your very last day on earth? Now this was the part that they were supposed to ask Zion to bring the rings up, but he already took them off the Christian. And these rings represent an eternal circle of love, pure and simple. The love God has for all creatures, great and small, and the love you, Emily, and Travis have for one another. When you place that ring on your partner's finger, know that you are giving not just the gift of a ring, but also the gift of the love your Creator has filled you with. That's the big one. Travis, repeat after me. Emily Elise Robinson, please accept this ring.
Emily Elise Robinson, please accept this ring.
As a token of my true, pure love for you.
True, pure love.
With this ring, I give you my heart and my soul.
With this ring, I give you my heart.
It's okay.
My soul.
They are yours forevermore. Take your time.
They are yours forever.
Here's the ring. Emily, Emily, please repeat after me. Travis Elliott Mays, please accept this ring as a token of my true, pure love for you. With this ring, I give you my heart and my soul. They are yours forevermore. This is going really fast. We thank God for bringing Emily and Travis together and for blessing them now and always. I personally am blessed to have shared this day with you guys. Thank you for asking me to do this. Now, by the power vested in me before God, your family, friends, special guests, the Universal Life Church, and the great state of Texas, I pronounce you husband and wife.